Hey guys, it's me Danielle, otherwise known as Dat Girl Danny. If you want to see how I did this 2-strand twist protective style, please keep on watching. So for this hairstyle, I started off on blow dried hair. Here I am parting my hair, and for this style you're going to need some Cuban twist hair with some molding paste by Murray's. So what I did was I parted out a section that I'm going to be 2-strand flat twisting, but to begin I am doing a rope twist. So I'm taking 2 pieces of hair and I'm twisting the Cuban twist hair into it. In the beginning I'm doing it as if it's a rope twist, but then I'm flipping it over and I'm continuing with a 2-strand flat twist with the extension hair added in. So I'm just 2-strand flat twisting up this section, and then when I get to the very top, I'm going to continue with a rope twist. So I started off with 1 piece of Cuban twist hair, but when I get to the top, I'm going to add another piece of Cuban twist hair. So that's 2 pieces of Cuban twist hair per section. And here I am just doing a rope twist where I twist each side and then I switch hand, twist each side with 2 hands, and then I switch hands all the way down. Twist with your fingers and then swap sides all the way down the end of the hair. And when I get to the end, I'm going to eventually add a roller to it. So I'm moving on with another section of the hair, and as you're going to see, I'm going to add some of that molding paste to this section. Then I'm going to take the beginning of that section, split it into 2, and then I'm going to add the Cuban twist hair, twisting inward, and then I'm going to twist in the same direction on the other side, and then I'm going to flip that over and start my 2-strand flat twist. That is how I am adding in this hair extension. So I'm basically going to be doing the same thing across the front of my hair. I'm doing 2-strand flat twists going upwards to create sort of a ponytail only in the front, and then in the back I'm going to be doing loose 2-strand twists with the extension hair. So here I am doing another rope twist. Next I am going to be doing another flat twist. You see I added the Cuban twist hair. Then I'm going to go ahead and 2-strand flat twist. How I 2-strand flat twist is I exchange the hair in each hand, but I pull it with my middle finger on my right hand. So I pull the hair across with my middle finger on my right hand, and I just use my other hand to hold the hair in place, and that's how I do my 2-strand flat twist. Pull it with my middle finger, swap hands. And next I'm going to be doing the same thing, begin the section as if I'm doing a rope twist, twisting the hair on first, and then I'm going to flip it over, and then I'm going to start flat twisting. To me, this is the easiest way to add in extension hair when you are 2-strand flat twisting. So I'm 2-strand flat twisting up my hair, and then once I get to the loose hair, I'm going to do a rope twist. And in total for each section, I use 2 pieces of hair. 1 piece of hair to begin the 2-strand flat twist, and once I get to the end, I add another piece of hair to do the rope twist. This makes it a little bit fuller. Now on this section, I did not add that second piece, so when I do the next 2-strand flat twist, you'll see the difference. So adding the hair in the beginning, twisting it on, and then I'm going to flip it over and do a 2-strand flat twist where I grab hair with my middle finger on my right hand, use the other hand to hold the hair in place, and pull more hair with my middle finger. And then I do my 2-strand twist, which is a rope twist, after I've added hair to that section to make it a little bit fuller. As you can see on that left side, I used a second strand of hair, and I did it differently on the right side, but eventually I make all the twists even. Now in the back, I'm taking 2 pieces of Cuban twist hair, starting that rope twist just like I did in the front, but this time I'm twisting all the way down. I'm not doing the 2-strand flat twist. So an easy way to do rope twist is you twist the hair at the top, at the base of your twist. You twist the hair. You can either twist it and go in the same direction or go in opposite directions. Either way, it's going to insert the extension into your hair, and it's going to help you create a rope twist. The main part of the rope twist is twisting the hair before you exchange hands. So you twist the hair with your fingers, and then you swap hands. Twist the hair with your fingers and swap hands. Normally when you twist without doing a rope twist, you just swap hands or exchange hands with the hair. But this one, you have to twist it with your fingers, then you swap your hands with the hair. And that creates that rope twist effect. So in the back, I'm doing all loose 2-strand twists, and in the front, I did 2-strand flat twists with this Cuban hair. In the back, I did do larger sections. 1, to make it go by faster, and 2, because I wanted it to be kind of big and a little bit on the fluffy side. So this is my last one in the back, where I'm adding the hair to my hair and creating that last rope twist. And what I'm going to do after this, after I do my last rope twist, is I'm going to add the smallest perm rods that I have. So here I am adding those rollers to my hair. You guys seen me do this before. You've seen other people do it before. So off camera, I dip them, but you pretty much know you add rollers at the end and then you dip it. So this is the same way. I just didn't show the dipping part. So I'm putting it back in that half up, half down style. I really like the way these came out. It has a shine to it because of the product I use, and plus my hair was moisturized, very, very moisturized. So it does have a little bit of a sheen to it. But I really like the way this came out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. But I did lay my edges. I guess, I don't know if this is considered laying your edges, but I did smooth down my edges before I move forward. And then I used, to lay my edges, I also used some Pump It Up spray, and I put this barber's tape, or this wrap tape across the top of my head, and then I blow dried it on, and I did go to sleep like this, and I blow dried the ends of my hair to make sure it was dry. Hey y'all, I'm back. This is the finished result of my half up, half down style with feed and twists and loose twists in the back. This is the side, the back, the other side, and the front. I like the way I curl the ends, where I could wear it down without looking crazy. Now, I don't know how this hair is coming across on camera or to you guys, but this hair is very stiff. But yeah, next time I do this hairstyle, I won't use Cuban hair. I'll use like a Marley hair. When I ran out of the Cuban hair, I went to this kind of hair, which it was Afro kinky hair. I think it was just called Afro hair, but it was much, much softer than this hair. Like, it even has a sound. Like, every time it moves, it sounds like it's rough. But anyway, this is how the hairstyle turned out. I hope you guys like it. I hope this inspires you to do like a flat twist hairstyle, because I don't see a lot of people doing flat twists anymore. They're mostly just doing braids, but flat twists are also an option if you kind of can get the hang of it. But anyway, I want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like. If you're not subscribed already, subscribe to this video and turn on those notification bells so you can see when I upload. I upload on Mondays and Thursdays. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.